Yes, sir. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. Could you tell me real quick what's in here and your name?
Alright, I'm Brad. I got 2 Hippo XLs on a 3K Hyphonics running at a half ohm. I got a few ADMs, 370 alternator.
Okay.
That's about it.
Is this a 4th order?
6.
6. What the tuning's on it?
The rear is 29, front's about 49.
Wow. Nice. Oh, the sub's broken in yet?
Somewhat.
Somewhat? Okay.
They could use a little bit more, but yeah,
Awesome.
I had those XFLs in there before, and
Yeah.
I bought 4 of these to put in it, so I'm about to rip it all out, but I figured I'd break them in while I have this box in here.
Yes, sir.
So.
What's going on, everyone? This is JacobViral. I hope you enjoyed the quick walk around we just got of Brad's system he was showcasing at the Made of Steel Tampa, Florida show area in 2021. Looking forward to giving you all a great demo today. If you haven't already, go ahead and give him a like as well as comment. Let him know what you like about his system. I really like the mirror image look with the LED lights for this blow-through truck single cab system. This was the actual thumbnail of his previous system link. I went ahead and put that video link in the description. I recommend you checking it out after this demo so you can kind of see where he came from to where he is today. I didn't also get an actual amplifier view of the racking system, but this is actually how his install looks for his amplifiers. So he said he had 3,000 watt amplifier for the Hyphonics on these subwoofers. The subwoofers, I'm pretty sure they're rated at either 1,500 or 2,000 watts RMS, the XL Hippo series subs. His previous system was the American-based XFLs. The back view, you can kind of see the actual panel to where he mounted his box in there, making it a 6th order enclosure. If you didn't pick that up earlier, this is a 6th order bandpass blow-through truck system. So what makes this a blow-through 6th order is he has an actual rear port. So you can see those 2 little slotted rear ports in the back, making it a 6th order. It could have been a standard ported box, but having that front chamber with the subwoofers inside kind of made it a 6th order oriented enclosure as well. I really wish I could have got a better picture visual for y'all. Sorry about that, but it was just a quick little demo he gave us. So you're about to see the cardio-based demo. This frog's going to be flying everywhere. I thought it was actually going to pop off of the mount, but it didn't. So if you haven't already, consider subscribing for daily videos and enjoy. seems like. So yes.
Yeah,
awesome.
I had those XFLs in there before, and
yeah,
I bought 4 of these to put in it, so I'm about to rip it all out, but I
okay.
figured I'd break them in while I have this box in here.
Yes, sir.
So.
Awesome. Thank you for showing me. Have a good day, man. Stay cool.
All right.